Glam Kitchen fam, and welcome new viewers. My name is Shantae, and welcome to my kitchen, the Glam Kitchen. Today's top tier recipe is seafood macaroni salad. Here in the Glam Kitchen, I teach you how to make top tier recipes at home. Now, we need to get you cooking, so let's get into it. A major Glam Kitchen key is all ingredients and instructions are listed below in the link in my description box. If you miss anything, please know you can go there and grab the full recipe. We're gonna start out by boiling our macaroni noodles. I used a 1-pound box of it. Make sure you cook your noodles al dente. We do not want them soft and soggy. As a reminder, all the ingredients and instructions are listed below in the link in my description box. You want to boil and finely diced 4 eggs. Make sure you let your eggs cool. All of our ingredients are prepped. Now let's put the salad together. In a large bowl, add 2 cups of mayonnaise. My favorite brand is Hellmann's. I don't use anything other than Hellmann's, y'all. Add in some Old Bay. I use 2.5 teaspoons. Ground black pepper. I use 1/8 teaspoon of that. A little white sugar, 1 teaspoon. Don't be nervous. Trust me, it's gonna all come together nicely. Child, now you're gonna give it a good mix. We want all of this mixed together nicely. Add in some Dijon mustard. I use 2 teaspoons. Dill relish. I use 2 tablespoons of that. And then a little fresh lemon juice. Trust me on this, just 1 teaspoon. 1/4 a cup of green onion. 1/4 a cup red bell pepper, finely diced. Make sure these things are finely diced. The last veggie I dropped in was 1/2 a cup of celery. Now I'm adding in the cooked and cooled macaroni noodles that have been cooked al dente. Again, do not overcook the noodles, please. I'm also adding in those diced eggs. Also realizing my hand looks a little ashy, but y'all, I guess. Let's put that wrist to work. You want to give this a good, thorough mix. You're going to mix until that mayonnaise mixture is all up and through everything in this bowl. Add in 12 ounces of cooked shrimp. Don't use raw shrimp, babes. Make sure you get a bag of cooked shrimp. Then add in 8 ounces of crab meat. I use crab claw meat. We're putting that wrist to work again. Mix it until all of the shrimp and crab is evenly distributed. You want this to be mixed very nicely so that, again, everything is evenly distributed. And as good as this is looking, I legit just want to eat some right now. It looks so good. Our seafood macaroni salad is done. Look at how creamy it looks. You want to chill this for about 30 minutes to 2 hours. I chill mine for about at least an hour before I serve it, but that's just me. I know salads like this are generally served more around summer, but honestly, this is a year-round side dish, y'all. The final step that is optional, I like to sprinkle some paprika over my seafood macaroni salad, but again, that is optional. That paprika just gives it some cute color. If you made it to this part of the video, you are a real one because you watched the whole thing, child. So I want you to comment what main dish you would serve this with, if you even need a main dish, if you made it this far. Let me know in the comments. And that is a wrap on another top tier recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. Bye-bye.